Steam cooking preserves starched structure.
Thickness variation causes uneven frying and structural failure.
Mechanical arms fold the dough upward and inward. The triangular shape forms in a single fluid motion. The triangle distributes internal pressure evenly during frying.
High-speed cameras scan seams, surface cracks, and color consistency. Microscopic defects cause oil leakage or texture failure later.
Uniform hydration and controlled gluten development are critical for foldable, yet rigid dough.
Overfilling causes rupture. Underfilling affects weight compliance and texture.
Uniform spice distribution prevents flavor inconsistency at scale.
Marks the moment flavor becomes a mechanical input.
Take us into the machine.
Oil brush dough layers move forward. No butter folding, no air trapping, just controlled separation for crisp.
The triangle distributes internal pressure evenly during frying.
The automated forming line engages. Dough sheets enter.
Dirty oil causes off flavors and uneven browning. Marks the completion of shape. Next comes heat.
Industrial frying must maintain stable temperature across thousands of units.
Refrying restores crispness by reactivating surface starches.
Samosas rise from oil. Excess oil drains instantly back into the fryer. Rapid drainage prevents surface greasiness.
Emerging from the fryers, the samosas are now perfectly golden brown, signaling the completion of their thermal transformation.
Different markets demand different preservation strategies.
Here you go, fresh and hot.
Eat this one, it's very good. This is incredible, you have to try it.